Pluto is a remote and enigmatic dwarf planet that was once a part of our solar system's planetary group. However, recent surprising announcements by prominent astrophysicists Neil deGrasse Tyson and Michio Kaku have brought Pluto back into the limelight with a startling discovery. They propose that this frigid world is on a potential collision trajectory with Neptune. But how could this occur, and what would be the repercussions of such a colossal event? Are we witnessing a rare astronomical phenomenon, or is there something more to this looming cosmic clash? Join us as we examine the possibilities of a Pluto-Neptune impact. Pluto, a former planet that was reclassified as a dwarf planet partly due to its unusual orbit, remains a subject of intrigue and research in the astronomical community. According to recent forecasts by leading scientists, Pluto's trajectory is dangerously close to Neptune's, with both Neil deGrasse Tyson and Michio Kaku sounding the alarm about a possible perilous collision between these two planets that could present a significant threat to Earth. How is such an event even plausible? Pluto's orbit around the Sun is unlike any other planet in our solar system. It takes an astonishing 248 years to complete a single orbit, meaning that since its discovery in 1930, it hasn't even finished one complete revolution. But the fascination doesn't stop there. Pluto's path is marked by its highly elliptical shape, deviating notably from the nearly circular orbits of the major planets. What makes Pluto's orbit even more unusual is its inclination. Angled at 17 degrees to the ecliptic plane, the path Pluto traces is much steeper compared to the other planets. This inclination and elliptical nature add layers of complexity to its orbital pattern. One of the most intriguing aspects of Pluto's orbit is its intersection with Neptune's path. For about 20 years in each orbit, Pluto actually comes closer to the Sun than Neptune, defying what we might expect from their positions in the solar system.